Welcome to my channel. This is the beginning of my garden vlog series. For the last couple of years, there's been a lot of drought, and that has left my garden looking rough. I've been working this last year getting things back in shape. In this video, I'll take you over the past 8 months and what I've been doing to accomplish that. There's been a lot of projects here and there. My ideal garden is a mix of food forest, permaculture, and fine gardening. I'm aiming to get my aesthetic just right, and this year I plan to make that happen. I'll be taking along any of you who want to watch and see how my garden develops. Just a few years ago, my garden looked like a slice of paradise.
Oh my god. I am never gonna financially recover from that.
Now, let's go back in time to last May. Following is the worst drought I've experienced since gardening. I decided to focus my efforts on a small area from the driveway to the front porch. I go through this area a lot, so I'll be able to get the most out of my efforts. I started with adding bricks to section off a portion of the lawn, and then I leveled it out. I added soil amendments like peat moss and topsoil to liven up the lawn section. The start of June ended the drought with a lot of rain. The abundant rain began bringing everything to life. The rabbits seem to be enjoying this area. My garden has pretty much become a bun sanctuary. So many little rabbits out here. Signs of life began appearing in the main front yard. Still seemed a long way to go, but a lot can change in a couple of weeks. The start of July, everything was finally green again. I decided to continue my efforts in the same area. The lawn next to the SUV was always worn out or muddy. Adding some stepping stones was a great solution. No more dirty shoes, and it looks very nice. I could really enjoy the garden again with it looking so lively. I put a layer of topsoil on the whole front yard to give it a boost. It really set off the growth out there. By August, the garden was really locked in. The plants were full of blooms and looking lush. Sadly, by September, we were already heading towards drought conditions again. In October, I did a thick grass overseed of the lawn portion of the focus area. By December, it was all green and it filled in very nicely. However, I am required to water it normally to maintain it. It's nice having it look good since I go through here every day. Now we're caught up to the present. That drought map is looking rough again. It's pretty much back to how it was in May in the main front yard now. I'm using this time to trim everything and get it ready for when the drought ends. You can really see the contrast between the section I water and where I don't. Until the drought ends, the majority of my time and resources will go to this section. Okay, let's fix up these pots here. That's all for today's video. This is the first video of many to come. I'll be vlogging my gardening journey through Zone 10A here in Sarasota, Florida. Follow and join me in the garden.